Hi everyone. I have had my patient and she underwent bariatric surgery. The procedure performed on her was mini gastric bypass. It's been 10 days now. So let us share her experience. How does she feel after 10 days of the surgery? Hello, how are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too.
I'm originally from Canada, and I came to Dr. Jammu and the Jammu Hospital about 10 days ago. I got my surgery about 10 days ago, and now I have lost 17 pounds. And with the mini gastric bypass surgery, it has literally changed my life so far. I feel a lot more better, more active, more energetic, and I have a lot more energy throughout the day. And my self-confidence and self-esteem has improved as well. I love the staff at Jammu Hospital. Dr. Jammu has been exceptional. The hospital is clean and the staff is friendly, and I would recommend the surgery to anyone out there that really requires it.
How much weight you have lost in these 10 days?
I have lost 8 kilos, which is approximately 17 pounds.
Okay, and since you're staying, I think, in the hotel here.
Yeah.
So how do you find you have come for the first time into India?
No, I've been here before many times. This is the first time I've come by myself, and the city of Jalandhar is very easy to navigate. Very helpful people, and I've been staying in a hotel and coming regularly to Jammu Hospital for checkups and to meet Dr. Jammu to see, to talk to him about the surgery, and I've been very comfortable here.
So that means one shouldn't be scared of coming alone even?
Definitely.
One can manage.
Absolutely.
Easily.
Absolutely.
Did you go for shopping?
Not yet, but I definitely will be going for shopping.
You told me you watched 2 movies alone.
Yeah. Yeah, I went to the theaters. My hotel was very close to the mall and the movie theater, and I quite enjoyed my time here in Jalandhar. I've been here in Jalandhar before, but even if you've never been here, it's a very nice city, and you will definitely enjoy your time here.
You said there's one complaint. I didn't show you my pug dog.
Yeah. So I didn't meet Dr. Jammu's pug Google, and I'm very upset about that, but maybe next time we'll get to meet him.
Since you're going tomorrow, I would have taken you to my house and you hadn't met my dog.
That's alright, it's okay. Next time I'll meet Google for sure.
Okay, thank you so much for sharing your
Yes, you're welcome. Thank you for having me.
I appreciate it.
Thank you.